Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel and welcome to the first video of 2019. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Huawei P30 Pro news, rumors and release date. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar. You're watching Advanced Unboxer. So let's get started. The Huawei P30 Pro is one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2019 and all the hype is being built up for a reason. When the P20 Pro got launched in the first quarter of 2019, it impressed both buyers and critics alike. The phone introduced a massive triple camera setup, which is now being followed by Samsung and possibly more manufacturers next year. Rumors mills already claim that the P30 Pro will go even bigger with a 4-camera setup in the rear, making it a dream come true for shutterbugs. While Samsung is focusing on making the display clean and Apple loves the notch, Huawei is focusing on more prominent features such as design, battery life and overall performance. They have succeeded in 2019 and this is what we know about the Huawei P30 Pro, which is expected to get launched in the first quarter of 2019. In a recent interview, the CEO of Huawei commented that the upcoming smartphone will be much better than the one they released so far. While it is an obvious claim, some of the leaked designs, including a transparent cover for the P30 Pro, suggest it will have the smartest camera around with a capacity of 38 megapixels. It is expected to be made by Sony and the 3 or 4 cameras, according to rumors, will be arranged in a row with a LED flash on the right hand side. While the camera continues to upgrade itself at a rapid pace, the notch introduced by Apple is expected to stay in 2019. Maybe it will shrink in size. The OnePlus 6T has already introduced the teardrop notch inspired by the Essential phone, which is expected to be used on the Huawei P30 Pro as well. The fingerprint scanner will completely be removed the design and will be implemented inside the display. It frees up some more space for the camera and also makes it easier to hold the phone in one hand without accidentally. The leaked renders look excellent, but no design is complete unless it has powerful hardware specifications on the inside. Based on how Huawei has been handling processors in the past, it is comfortable to claim that they will be using the Kirin 980 processor. It is a flagship processor that is already being used in the Mate 20 Pro. The Kirin 980 is a powerful chipset that is worthy to be used in 2019 without any issues because it is more than capable of keeping the flagship phone zippy at all times. Along with it, Huawei is expected to use the EMUI 9.0, which will be used as a skin on top of Android P operating system. The phone should obviously run on the latest operating system out of the box and receive at least one other upgrade considering the money people spend on buying the best phone of the year. Similar to Samsung, which launches their flagship phones in the first half of every year, Huawei launches their models in the first quarter. They announced the Huawei P20 in March and based on their yearly schedule, you should be able to get hold of the Huawei P30 Pro by the same month or at least by April without any further ado. The pricing of smartphones has drastically increased in the past few years and almost all of them aim to touch the $1,000 mark. While the Huawei P30 Pro is a flagship model for 2019, it is expected that it will not be too expensive so as to grab a better market share. The brand has already been going strong through the months and has earned a strong reputation among buyers around the globe. Based on rumors and leaks, it is expected that the phone will cost about $790, which is still expensive, but definitely not as much as Apple phones cost. The model with increased RAM and bigger storage space might cost more than the entry-level variant, but these are all expected price range rather than confirmed news. While some features such as the in-display fingerprint scanner or powerful 3 or 4 camera setup are nearly confirmed, buyers have some expectations from the phone. It should at least implement wireless charging and bring back the headphone jack that is slowly vanishing from all major models. Besides, the use of top-notch doesn't make proper use of screen space available and it is time phones in 2019 get rid of them completely. Many of these fall in the wish list of people who love the brand and would want it to have the best display possible combined with powerful hardware and great battery life. Here is a quick overview overview of the rumors, pricing and release date of the Huawei P30 Pro. It will be larger than a 6 inches display with QHD resolution, Kirin 980 processor, 6GB of RAM, 3 or 4 rear camera setup, IP68 waterproof rating, probably no headphone jack. And let's talk about its release date. Maybe Huawei P30 Pro will be launched in March 2019 and the pricing is about $790. We will share more information as we receive more information or rumors pertaining to the Mate 30 Pro. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.